Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number 6. Question number 6 is two crossroads, each of width 10 meter, cut at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 700 meter and breadth 300 meter and parallel to its sides. Find the area of the roads. Also find the area of the park excluding crossroads. Give the answers in hectares. Right? Let us find. First of all, you see this is the park A, B, C, D, and these are two crossroads. One is E, F, G, H, and another is I, J, K, L, and M, N, O, P is here. You see this one is M, N, O, P. Right? Now, two crossroads each of width 10 meter. That means here you see this is 10 meter and this is also 10 meter, right? That means this side is 10, this side is 10. Now first of all, what you have to do, you have to find the area of the crossroads. Find the area of the park excluding, find the area of the roads. First of all, you find the area of the roads. Let us first find area of the roads. Here you see, first of all, we find the area of the roads. How to find the area of the roads? You see, we are finding area of the roads. Area of the roads. From the figure you find that where they find the area of this rectangle, that is area of E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H plus area of I, J, K, L plus area of I, J, K, L minus area of M, N, O, P. M, N, O, P. Here you see, when we are taking this area E, F, G, H, this area is included twice. When we take this area, we are taking this area also, and when I am taking I, J, K, L, and again this area is counted again. That means you have to minus this area, that is M, N, O, P, from the area of the sum of the areas of this one and this one, right? Because this is counted twice, right? Therefore, area of EFGH. Now here you see EFGH, it is a rectangle. The length of this rectangle is 700 and the breadth is 10 meter. Therefore, it is the area of this EFGH is equal to EFGH is equal to length into breadth. Length is this length is 700, this is 10, that is 700 into 10, 700 into 10 meter square, right? Meter square plus area of IJKL. IJKL. Here you see, this is the breadth. This breadth is 300 and this is the length. If we suppose this is 300 and this is 10, therefore the area of this rectangle is 300 into 10. 300 into 10 meter square minus area of MNOP. Here you see This length is 10 meter and this length is also 10 meter. Therefore, the area of MNOP is 10 into 10. That is 10 into 10, 10 into 10 meter square. Now you find the area of the road as this is 7000 plus 3000 meter square minus 100 meter square. That means 7000 plus 3000 is 10,000. 10,000 meter square. 10,000 minus 100, that is meter square. Meter square. And that comes to 10,000. This is 10,000 minus 100. You subtract it, we are getting this is 0, this is 0, this is 9, carry 1, 9. That is 9,900. That is 9,900 meter square. This is the area of the road. Again you see, you have to find the area of this rectangle plus area of this rectangle. Since this area is counted twice, therefore you have to subtract one area of this, that is area of MNOP, that is 10 into 1000. Therefore, the area of the road is 9,900 meter square. This is the answer. Right? Now also find the area of the park excluding the crossroad. Right? You have to subtract this road. Now find the area of the park first. Find the area of the park. Area of the park is equal to area of the park. Area of the park. Here you see area of the park. This is the park. The area would be length into breadth. That is 700 into 300. That is 700 into 300 into 300, and the unit will be meter square. Meter square. That comes equal to 3721, 21 and 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Meter square. This is in meter square. This is the area of the park. Now we have to find the area of the park excluding the crossroad. Right? Now area of the park. Now area of the park. Area of the park. Area of the park excluding crossroad. Excluding crossroads. Excluding crossroads. Here you see total area of the park is this one. That means 2, 1, 0 and 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 minus this one, that is area of the road. This was 9,900. That is 9,900. This is the area of the park excluding crossroad. Meter square. Right? Therefore, if you subtract this one, what you are getting, you see, that is 2, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. If you subtract 0, 0, 9, 9, 9, 9. This is 0. This is 0. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1. 9 1 is 10. 10 times 0, 1. that is here is 0, this is 0, 9 1 10, 10 1 10, this is 10 10 0, carry 1 0, that is also 0 and 2. 200,100 meter square. That is, we are getting 200,100 meter square. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? That means we are getting this one. If we put the commas here, then we are getting, put the commas here and here 200,100 meters. This is the area of the park excluding crossroads, right? Give the answer in hectares. First of all, we have to find the relation between hectares and meter square. We know that now we have to find the relation between meter square and hectare. We know that 1 hectare, we know that 1 hectare, 1 hectare, 1 hectare, 1 hectare, we know that 1 hectare, we know that 1 hectare, 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. 10,000 meter square. Therefore, we can say that 1 meter square, 1 meter square is equal to 1 by 10,000 hectares. 1 by 10,000, 1 by 10,000 hectares, 1 by 10,000 hectare. We have to use this relation, right? Now you see 1 meter square 1 by 10,000 hectares. Therefore, 200,100 meter square is equal to 200,100 by 10,000 hectares by 10,000 1 2 3 hectares. HECTARES. Now if you divide this by 10,000, what you are getting? How many zeros? 1 2 3 4. Then we have to shift the digit 4 digits to the left side. That is 1 2 3 4. That is, we are getting 20.0100 hectares. Or you can write it as, after the point there is no value for 0 on the right side. Therefore 20.01, 20.01 hectares. This is the answer, right? Therefore, what we have found, you see that the area of the park is 210,000 meter square. That is the area of the park. We have to find the area of the roads, and here we will find the area of the roads as 9,900 meter square. This is the area of the roads, and the area of the park excluding crossroads is equal to 210,000 minus 9,900. That comes to 200,100 meter square, and we know that 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Therefore 1 meter square is equal to 1 by 10,000 hectare. Therefore we divide it by 10,000, and if we shift the point on the left side 4 digit, that is 1 2 3 4, that is 20.0100 hectares, or you can write it as 20.01 hectares. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.